Go. Come on. You can go on ahead. Go. Turn around. Wow, we're gonna go in there. Look at our long shadows. Ooh, nice. Okay, let's go. Going into the woods. Wow. Do you hear something? Do you hear animal? Wow. Do you hear something? What do you hear? What do you hear, sweetie? Is there, oh, it's okay. Is there maybe a birdie up high? Wow, let's look all the way around in a circle. Wow. Do your feet make a crunchy sound on the leaves? Can you do a leaf dance? Wow. Okay, let's hold hands. Do you hear the wind? Oh, wow. Let's be careful. Be careful. Are you doing okay? Lots of sounds. It's okay, honey. Let's go. Let's go see what's over here. Ooh, look how low the river is. So low. Do you see all this piles of wood here from the beavers? That's a beaver dam. Wow. And look, it's pretty over there. Hey, sweetie? Do you hear that? Wow. Look, I'll show you all these leaves. There's water under there. Watch, Bubba will throw this branch. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Wow! Look at that. See? There's water. This would be very careful. Okay? We'll hold hands. Okay, sweetie? Yeah. Okay? Oh, do you hear that? The trees are knocking in the wind. Wow. Okay, let's keep going, honey. Watch where you step. Ooh, there's the water. You found it. Good job, Nikki. Oh, that's wonderful. Okay, we gotta stay on the path. Do you want to show me something? What do you want to show me? Oh, wow. Very nice. The tree is creaking, I know. I heard it. Let's keep going. Stay on the path. Come on, Sweet Pea. Step.
Wow!
Wow. It's gonna be crunchy again soon. I heard those crunchy leaves. Wow. Yeah. Let's be careful. Yeah, we'll stay on the path. That's a good girl. Oh, look, did you find a way out for us? Go show Baba how to get out. Did you find over there? Sunshine, yay! Let's go. Let's go up here. Come on. Let's go. You did it! Yay! Hi! The wind got in your eyes? Okay, let's keep going. Good girl. Oh, sorry. Where's the yellow leaves? Where's the yellow leaves, sweetie? Can you find one? I found a great one right here. Look. Here's a good one. Do you like that? Do you want this one? No? Nikita, do you see what happened to this tree? Look. Look here. Beavers chomped it down. Do you see that? With their big teeth? Do you want to touch it? You don't want to touch it? Okay. Wow. Fell down. It fell down? Wow. Look, someone put a bench here. Do you want to go sit on the bench? Can you sit on the bench? No? Let's go see what's in here. Let's hold hands. Come on, hold hands. Look, there's another big beaver dam over there. Wow, do you see it? You stay close by Baba, I've got you. Do you see that big beaver dam over there, the pile of wood? Yeah. What did you find? Oh, wow. Okay, let's turn around and go back now. Come on. Good job. Nikki, do you want to go look in this path here? Do you want to come and see? Let's go. Come. Come, come. Hold hands. Go inside here. Okay. Hold hands. See where we can go. Oh, we can't go that way. There's a big tree fell down. Let's try and go this way. Wow. It's not windy in here. It's okay. What are we gonna do? Go around the tree? Can you show me how to get around the tree? Let's go. You can do it, hun. Good job. Just like that. Awesome. Let's keep going forward, sweetie. You want to hold hands? Okay. Let's hold hands. Do you hear that horse? I hear a horse. Let's keep going. We'll see what we can find. Yeah. Let's keep on going. You're doing great. Yeah. Oh, watch where you're stepping. Yeah. Yeah. Watch out for this log. Whoa, good job. Yeah, you're doing great. Whoa. Oh, I saw that bird. Come on. It's okay. We're together, honey. You're such a good adventure girl. Come on. Wow. Yeah, that's a fence. And we came out again. That's awesome. Are you happy? Are you happy now? Okay, my happy little hopper. There's one more spot to check out, okay? Let's go check by the bridge. Okay? Go this way. Okay, let's go this way. It's rough walking. We can do it. We can do it. Here, Baba's gonna lift you up. Okay. Oh, prickles. Ah. Ah. We can't get too close. Look, see? That's what's under the bridge. Rocks. And things. Wow. It's so windy today. Hey, how do you feel about this? Now where we are. You are such a big adventure girl. I don't know any other little toddler that can adventure as good as you, Kita. You're a tough kid, hey? Water. We're being very careful. Okay, that's why you're with Baba. Okay, let's try to get out of here. We have to adventure our way out of here. We can do it. Step on all these broken trees.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah.
You're leading the way.
Yeah.
Oh, my little lumberjack. Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, the beavers were there too, long time ago. Okay. I think we can find a way out this way, if I don't trip first. Okay, come on. Close your eyes. Whew. What a tough kid. Yeah, close your eyes through the branches. And we can get out this way. You found a way out, honey. Oh, thank you. Kita, which way is the way out? That way? Okay, let's go. Yeah. Help get your Baba out of here. Oh, I'll be careful of that. Thank you. Help to get Baba out of here. Freedom! Freedom! You did it, honey. Thank you. Lots of scratches. You're so tough. Okay, now we're gonna go to the van.
Yay!
Give me 5 for a great adventure.
Hat!
Psst, hat. That's awesome. Wave bye-bye. Okay, let's go home.